everybody, I just had to show you all this. I'm on the road from Arlington to Roanoke. It started off raining, and look, it's a snowstorm halfway there. I just had to stop. I couldn't believe it. Look at it, it's actually snowing. Today's March the 21st. And I called my people in Roanoke, and it is sunny. Supposed to get it to 58. I'm like, goodness gracious. And the temperature here right now is 32 degrees and snowing. All right, I just had to tell y'all what was going on. Look, y'all, it's like 10 miles down the road from the snowstorm. It's barely raining, and the temperature is up to 40 from 32 and rising. Now, isn't that crazy? Look at that beautiful sky, though. Look at that, y'all. Oh, it's getting warmer. Temperature's still rising. Alrighty then, I guess I'll talk to y'all later, and have a blessed day.